This week on Job and Jaunts, we are sailing in the turquoise waters of Oludeniz.
But in two really different ways, a quiet private ship versus a noisy pirate ship.
Two styles, two prices, and two very different experiences.
But which one comes out top? Let's watch and see.
First stop, the pirate ship. Wish me luck here trying to get on.
Ah, James, you made it look easy.
That was fun. Get on, no bother.
We're going to be on this boat today for 6 hours with a full programme of stops and a full programme of partying, plenty of music and a foam party.
Are you ready? We are photographer in the boat. We are taking picture with parrot everywhere. If you like, you can pay. Don't like, don't pay, no problem. Are you ready? Yeah. Please.
Tell you what, I've not been on a pirate ship before, so should be good.
We are definitely the oldest couple here. But it's okay, we'll show the young ones how to party.
Absolutely. From the off.
Well, I'm disappointed. Those people were waving at me and now they've stopped. Now I feel embarrassed.
I think they were waving at Linda the parrot.
Possibly.
I think you've had it. Look at that water and look so forward to jumping off. And hopefully it's when we actually get into the bay.
There's James living his best life.
Everyone going off one by one to Camel Beach. I'm hoping it's not the Ark. Look at that beautiful water.
This is all pretty good. We can be a bit reticent sometimes about asking for vegetarian food when we come on these places because we recognise how difficult it is to cater for. So before we came on the boat we'd said we're vegetarian and they have provided us with a nice vegetarian meal. There's pasta and salad which is perfect, and we've got a lovely glass of wine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Feel very special. Proper cutlery as well?
And we've got proper cutlery as well, so this all feels really nice. Oh look, he's doing these.
Ah.
You can tell we're on the party ship.
St Nicholas Island. Wouldn't mind getting a wee shot of that. It's pulled along my couch. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think you can also get a mud bath here. Come on, Nicola, it's a foam party!
No, James, I don't think that's for me.
My God, that was it! Best time ever! Absolute covered in foam! What a boat! Oh, living the dream.
Absolutely living the dream. Millionaire lifestyle without the millionaire price tag. It's fantastic.
So we're on Captain Saban's boat here in Oludeniz. This is the best boat you can hire an Oludeniz. So how lucky are we? Absolutely fantastic. The hospitality is absolutely immense. Cheers!
Cheers!
Yeah, boomerang.
In front of you there is Secret Beach.
The pirate ship was £20 per person. That was for a full day and included lunch. There were some additional costs there as well. We had to pay for our own beers and drinks, and as well as that we paid for the photographer. So in total it cost £20 per person. We spent £20 on drinks because there were £5 a drink, and we spent £20 on the photographer. So in total we were £80.
Well, not too bad considering that it was a bit of a photo shoot with photographer. We were there for about half an hour, weren't we?
That's true, but that was only because you kept wanting pictures of that bird.
I know, Linda, she had some geek on her. The private boat was £120 in total, but that was for 4 people, so that worked out £30 a person. We didn't get food provided on it, we took on our own food and drink, which cost us roughly £20 a couple. So the total price was £80, which is the same as a pirate ship. So that's quite incredible. We're talking about one is the ultimate experience and the other one is sort of lower cost experience, but in the end they're both £80, which my people show good value and it comes down to personal choice.
Living the dream.
They talk about next level days or best days in your life. This has got to be one of them. This has been amazing. What an absolutely brilliant boat trip. So today we have been on the Cara Inche in Oludeniz. What a fantastic boat. We've been out since 10:30 this morning. We're just turning at 5:30 tonight. What a full on day. It's been superb. The crew have been so much fun, and the foam party, it was my first actually in my life. What about you, Nicola? Have you been to any foam parties?
Never been to a foam party, and I got all the way to 50 before it.
Guys, thank you very much. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you. See you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you. What a yeah, absolute what a great experience. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.
Well, I think it's quite clear from the video that we certainly enjoyed both of those trips. But which was your favourite, James?
I have to say the private boat, because it felt a unique experience. That's something I'd never been on before. What I would say is I could have stayed on longer. That's where the pirate ship had the advantage. What about you, Nicola? What was your favourite?
For me, the private boat won hands down. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the freedom, the opportunity to decide where to go and have a bit of flexibility on when we had to go back onto the boat. However, got to say, it makes me a bit nervous because we've booked a cruise and I'm not sure how well that's going to go.
We'll find out when we get on that boat, Nicola. 7 days. Could it be cabin fever or could it be amazing?
Yeah, we'll need to wait and see. And of course, we'll take you along with us. So until then, we'll see you next time.
See you. Bye.